Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we are dissecting a mobile game known as Portal. So dissecting basically means we are going to discuss each component of the game and how to build them. So if you're building something similar, then this video might be of help. So starting with the first component, that is the menu system. It's basically buttons with predefined actions. You can find free asset for the menu system over the internet as well, or you can manually build your own menu system. Followed by the menu system, we have this background image, and this whole image is divided into multiple components such as the game name. Then we have the characters as well. So as you can see, we have our characters with basic animation, and based on certain actions, we are performing those animation. On the left side, we have the same characters with different set of animations, and they are utilizing walking animation to reach from point A to point B. Then we have a dialogue system. Let's pause it for a second. And until we choose the specific buttons, we are going to keep restarting the dialogues. So as you can see, we keep on restarting the dialogues until we do not reach a required result. So let's fast forward it a bit. Now we are presented with a different set of animation of the character, where the character is sitting on the table and performing its basic animation. So now we have this character on the left side and some dialogues going on the right side of the screen. So this character on the left is basically an animated image file designed in such a way to give an illusion of 3D, and the voice is also synced with the dialogue. So this is basically a tutorial scene to teach the player about game mechanics. There are multiple ways to create the tutorial. You can keep it as a separate scene or inside the main game, enabling and disabling it whenever required. So let's discuss one of the main component of the game, and that is the bridge building part. So the logic is fairly simple. You choose a point and drag your finger to another point to create a bridge. Now we have multiple type of bridge points. One is the square and another one is the circle. One more logic that is added here is that the bridge that is constructed from a square point won't be needing a support point, or we can say that it will be needing more than equal to one neighbor, and the bridge that is constructed from a circle or a midpoint will be needing at least 3 or more neighbor to support the weight. With the help of this logic, we can easily create the bridge. So the whole process goes this way. You select a starting point and start dragging your finger. While dragging, a sprite appears whose one end is fixed to a stationary point and another end is fixed below our finger. And as you move the finger, the sprite stretches to a certain extent, and when you lift the finger, the sprite gets placed to that position, giving you another point to extend the bridge. So let's fast forward one more time in this video. So let's just keep fast forwarding it. Yeah, here. Let's pause it. So there is one more aspect to consider here, and that is the physics. The game uses physics to make the vehicle jump, which can be customized according to the game. So here you can see our vehicle is jumping from point A to point B using the physics, which can be customized according to our needs. So all of the major things are covered. The last thing is the portal system. Let's just fast forward to that point where we have portals. Let's pause it somewhere around here. So the system works this way. The vehicle enters one portal and exits from another portal. So it gives the player an illusion that the vehicle is being transported from one side to another, but in reality the object coming out from the another portal is a whole new object. So basically what happens is that the vehicle touches one side of the portal, and as soon as it touches one side of the portal, another new vehicle gets spawned behind the other portal, and both the vehicle continues to move forward, creating an illusion. So the first vehicle that entered the portal get destroyed after reaching to a certain distance. The reason we can see this happening is due to the vehicle's z-index that is different from the environment's z-index, thereby hiding the vehicle. So this completes our video. So if you want a detailed dissection on how to structure our classes and which component to build first and which pattern to use in creating this game, then let me know in the comments. And if a lot of people request this information, I will be happy to create another detailed dissection video. So if you like the video, do press the like button.